During the 70s, a fishing vessel was caught in a storm. Pushed ashore by powerful Atlantic winds, she never sailed again. Her timber hull has stood against salt, storms, and time, slowly fading but never forgotten. Bad Eddy has become one of Ireland's most haunting landmarks. Tourists travel from across the world to photograph her. And for the people of Donegal, she is more than just a wreck. She's a symbol of resilience, a memory of the fishing past, and a piece of living folklore that watches over Bunbeg's sands. Though the sea and weather continue to strip her down, Bad Eddy remains an icon of Bunbeg. With each tide, the wreck tells its story once more, of the ocean's power, of lives lived by the sea, and of a ship that found its final resting place in the sand.